My friends, have you ever heard the expression, rules were meant to be broken? Well, these rules were not. There are some house rules that I've identified that you should never, ever, under any circumstance, break. If you do, you're just gonna have less money in your pocket. If you follow these 6 unbreakable clean with confidence rules, your wallet is gonna be thicker, period. End of story. Drop the mic. Number 1, ignoring small plumbing issues. A small drip here, a slow draining sink there, a toilet that runs continually all the time may not seem like a big problem, but they will be a big problem if they're not attended to. Clogged toilets and pipes can overflow and even burst, costing you a fortune in unnecessary repairs. Not to mention puddles from small leaks can encourage mold and even rot away wood flooring and support beams. So when you get a chance, fix it, fix it, fix it. The second unbreakable house rule is ignoring annoying beeps. Yes, those beeps can be just as annoying as Negative Nancy and her whirlwinds of misadventure, but you gotta take care of that. Ignoring smoke detectors when they need a battery change can be a fatal error, my friends. Not to mention the damage caused from one small little kitchen fire can run in the thousands of dollars. When you get visitors coming over to your house, you don't want those noises, those little beeps punching and popping people in the face. You want people to come into your home and be soothed with silence. Or the nice vibrato of your voice. I can hear it, and my oh my, it sounds good. It makes me all calm and peaceful. The third unbreakable house rule is neglecting air vents and air filters. So check it, an air filter costs about $7. Changing out that part of the air conditioning system can run in the thousands. You want to make sure you're changing out those air filters a minimum of every 3 months. And then also vacuuming the grates when you see dust starting to accumulate. This is going to save you money in the long run on unnecessary repairs. And not only that, it's going to keep the dust down in the house. And if the dust is down, the home is going to be cleaner. And if the home is cleaner, not only is that going to be good for you, but it's going to be even better and good for those amazing house guests. The fourth unbreakable house rule has to do with clutter. When it comes to clutter, you got 2 options. Number 1, you can ignore it, let it pile up, and live in a mountain of garbage, the valley of filth. Or number 2, pick it up, throw away the plates, throw away the empty soda cans. Own the chore, own the task, own the cleanup. Otherwise, you're going to create the perfect bachelor pad for rodents, mice, roaches, spiders. And finally, the 5th unbreakable house rule is using the wrong cleaning products. Undiluted acids on natural stone, waxy floor products on finished hardwood and vinyl plank. Hi, welcome to my home. Don't you just love my dingy, dull hardwood floors? Said no one ever. My friends, if you have a question on how to clean something, then by all means, research it first. You can find pretty much how to clean anything here on this channel. I've got videos from everything to clean floors to toasters, and you can find them all organized into categories on the playlist page here on the channel. And if I don't have how to clean something, then just leave me a comment down below, tell me to get my act together, and I'll try to jump on that. And that's it, my friends. 5 house rules that if you do not break, you're going to be a lot better off. Now the other house rules, go ahead, live it up, have some fun. Feel free, my friends, and resolve to rebel. Now it's time I proclaim, Clutter don't contain anything inhumane, just a non-toxic brew for your clean crew. It's time to make a debut, cause it's long overdue.